moranga you can take.
So Anna planted some peanuts, and they're actually doing really good. So got one row here, got one row there. Potatoes are growing really good. Look at that moranga. Give me the facão. You want to hold it? Pretty good.
Wow.
Beautiful,
That's so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
And I think we got some, we have some watermelon in here.
Yeah, but watermelon is not ready.
It's not ready.
That's good. Hey, run on top of my stuff. Here, what?
Oh, there's one watermelon. That looks beautiful. Where's the other one?
I don't know one. Over there have two, but they are not too big.
Two small ones?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right here.
And they are here. I cover.
Covered up. Yeah. Looks good. So watermelon. Yeah.
Have more moranga.
So we got another moranga there. The zucchini is done. We're gonna be taking them out. And the big tomatoes. So just so you guys know, tomatoes were the first time we grew here. And what ended up happening is they got a lot of bugs and worms in them.
Cherry doing fine.
Oh, the cherry tomatoes did fine, but the big ones did not. So next year, or when we get ready to replant more, boy, can you take the facão so I don't cut myself?
Yes. But the broccoli is doing fine.
Yeah. So what we're going to do when we replant the tomatoes, we're going to find a different spot and we're going to cover them with bug netting. And that'll help, one, provide a shade for them, and two, keep the bugs off of them. So that'll be the next goal. The broccoli is doing good. We have a little pepper right there. Cabbage looks beautiful. Broccoli is doing fine. And the cauliflower looks amazing.
Yeah, look at this kid.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at how big is the cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, it's nice.
I eat. And the cabbage is already.
Yeah. Pretty soon we'll have cabbage. But the tomatoes, now you can see, you know, they're rotting on there, so we're going to get rid of them. And over here, these are pickles.
Pickles,
or cucumbers and pickles. So there's some over here. Look at this. Take this one and take this one. What do you got? Ah, that's a nice one. Kind of skinny. That's
it's a Japanese one.
Oh, is that the type?
Yeah.
These are like Japanese cucumbers, so they're the longer, skinny ones. And strawberries, they look beautiful. So that's good. Guess what I found? Yay! Pink. Hmm?
I eat all the strawberry yesterday.
Oh, that's why there's never any strawberries for James. Anna eats them all before they come to the house. What is this? Is this a weed?
Mustard.
Mustard?
Mustard.
Wow. This is a mustard plant.
It is flowers. Some flowers already come out there.
Flowers? What's that? That's not flowers.
This is daisies.
Oh, that's daisies? Okay. Well, I think that's it for the garden update.
What is your favorite one? Collard.
What is this stuff?
Bok choy.
Bok choy?
Yeah, but
Doesn't look like it's growing well.
no, they grow a little bit and they start flower problem, planting the wrong time. But that's okay. I want to get the seeds anyway, so it's gonna let dry and get the seeds.
So this year is also a learning year for us when to plant. You know, in the United States we knew what time of year to plant what. And this is bok choy, but it went to seed. So Anna's going to harvest the seeds from it and use it for next year or later this year to figure out when the best time is to plant. Our beets look really good. Looks like our red lettuce is doing beautiful. Green lettuce is doing beautiful. And would you guys get out? Out. Cachorros. Get out. Out, out, out. Okay, the big tall lettuce over here, this is going to the tilapia. They love it, and Anna just throws the plant in there and they start pecking at it, and whatever they don't eat, the carpa gets when it falls to the bottom. So letting it go to like growing tall like this is not a problem for us, because it's more than we can eat, but it also helps us supplement the food for the tilapia, which is great. So we don't have to buy as much pre-made food.
We have more lettuce over there.
Yeah, I showed them already.
And I'm gonna plant more here.
Over here we got basil. It smells good. Anna's trying to grow some pineapple, but I don't think it's going to grow.
I think I planted too late. I was supposed to plant early. I have to check online what the time to plant.
Yeah.
All these big tomatoes I'm gonna show you. And then that day they have windy. I didn't hold very well. Well, fall down.
So we had a windstorm come through, and we didn't have really tall stakes, and they were tall. The tomato plants were taller than the stakes. So what ended up happening, they ended up blowing over and breaking. But the green tomatoes, they don't have worms. We're just going to pick green and let them ripen off the vine. Those don't typically taste as good as the ones that ripen on the vine, but that's okay. And then we'll take these plants out, put them in the ground, rototill them back in. But we're going to definitely have to cover them because the seeds are cover. We'll definitely have to cover them next time because of the bugs. They just love the tomato plants. Hang on. I was going to throw in the lettuce, the tilapia, and just floats on top, and they come in and they start pecking at it. No, you guys stay out of the water. Come on. Ariel, no. Maya, no. And I don't know if you can see that, but you can see them swimming towards.
Go to another side.
Huh?
And go to another side.
Okay. I'm gonna grab the I'm gonna grab the stuff over there and take it up to the house. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little update. Get Ray, he's tired. Gotta lay down because it's cool on his belly. Hope you enjoyed that little garden update. My video content is going to change for a couple months. I actually have to go back to the United States. Had a family member pass away, and I'm needed there to help with the estate and go to the funeral, unfortunately. But I'm going to do some videos of my hometown area. Not necessarily areas that I grew up, but Wisconsin in general. So it'll be different for a couple months, and then we'll get back to the projects that I have here, but most of the big projects will be put on hold until I can get back and help out. Ciao for now.